Morning, we're here at the Georgetown Open House for the Carpenters Apprenticeship Program. Show people what carpenters do in the construction industry, give them a feel for what the schooling and the training would be like if they would decide to become a carpenter's apprentice. Our carpenters apprentices earn while they learn. They come to school one day a week. The other days they are on a job site learning their trade. We are constantly trying to improve our training and to show contractors that our men are trained and our women are trained professionally in safety and a more efficient way to do construction work.
A lot of the stuff you're going to learn in college, we might get to that white collar office job, but it seems more and more those are sort of being automated. It's not as secure. Whereas if you know a trade, I mean, you're always going to need someone to build that next school, to build that hospital.
Yeah, it worked for me because I did not want to go to college at all, because I'm just not I'm not that type of guy to just to sit down at a desk and learn all the time. I'm more hands-on. Right now, I'm working on an Easton school, and I went to that Easton elementary school, so I'm basically building my old school that I went to.
Yeah, because it's free tuition, and we get paid to come here, and then you learn a lot. I'm learning, everything's new I learned here, and it's a lot of math, but it's good to know. I started in July, and school ain't in July, so I started first day right on the job site working, and worked until just worked every day.
The unique thing about the Carpenters Union apprenticeship is that you have the joint cooperation and input of the contractors. So all of the certifications and training programs that we get are you're tailor made so that when you go out in the field, you are qualified and you're competent to carry out the unique tasks that we do every day as a carpenter.
No matter what I'm going through or how hard of a day it might be or whatever, that in the future is going to pay off and it's going to be worth it. And then we have all these additional, we call them journeyman upgrade classes. So either journeyman or apprentice can come to this school at night or weekends or whatever for a few hours for free and get certifications to do the scissor lift or the law or doing harnessing and rigging and scaffolding and all these other certifications. They're money for us. And they give you more opportunities because there's certain areas like the cities, you have to have certain OSHA 30, we got that in school. So we got paid to get the OSHA 30 class.
If you take a trade, nobody can ever take it from you. You will always have a job. I mean, I can always go be a carpenter. Somebody always needs something built, But this is a really good job with benefits and health program and all the stuff that we have, the teaching that we do. This has changed, this school has changed so much in just 10 years. We're all on the same page. We all go out to Las Vegas to be trained now. And so at the end of the day, when we're finished working, either the wall's up or it's got drywall on it. It's also a lot of pride in it. We take a lot of pride in what we do. We take a lot of pride in belonging to this union.